All right, we are done with all the beauty stuff. Say hi to Cece, guys.
Hey y'all, how y'all doing?
Crazy. All right, we're about to finally open. You're so dumb. You don't need these parts.
Yeah, I want those too.
Oh, okay.
I'm taking everything.
Okay. This girl boating.
White boy behind.
All right, we're about to open this pot set finally. It's been sitting here for like 4 days. Literally. Oh my gosh, this girl's so dumb. They gonna think somebody's shooting up here.
There we go, Mike.
Oh, mother.
Where's the camera? Oh, there it is.
I need to box camera.
Hey guys, how y'all doing? It's me back again with another video. So, I don't know how to do this. All right, so here we are. Here we are here, and we are going to open up this cool cooking set. Okay, this is not sponsored, by the way. But, so we're gonna go ahead and take an open. All right, go ahead, Miss Ariel.
Very big.
Very, never mind, cut that out. All right, go ahead. You had to edit all that. Okay, let me walk around, let me show y'all. Here's the outfit of the day, by the way. So I was tutoring, guys, so I was wearing this. Okay, I'm a tutor, by the way. Follow me at learn.withmisssama on Instagram. Not sponsored.
Not sponsored.
All right,
Finally. Ready to see it?
yeah. Yeah.
I'm pretty done.
It's like Christmas. Nice package. Here we go. Mini. Ooh, fancy.
Ah! I'm so exciting. Only grown people get excited when they open brand new pots.
So pretty.
How cute. That's cute.
That's nice.
That's one lid. But
I like it.
it's so cute.
Wow, so you have to tell us the details.
It's like ceramic titanium, but it's white.
It looks eco-friendly.
It does. It's so pretty.
That's nice. Nice. You can make little omelets right here.
Oh, I didn't know they gave me pencils with it.
Ooh! Very nice.
Okay, bouillon. But then it comes with like utensils or something. Ooh, this is so cute.
Oh, yes.
Oh, it came with gloves. That's cute. Oh, this is nice. I didn't think it was gonna come with all this.
Okay, now.
All right, let's see. Overview. Oh, so cute. This is from Amazon. Y'all already know, because y'all saw me buying it anyways online. But I like it a lot. It's so pretty. So soft. It came with 2 mittens, which I didn't know, and then 3 utensil sets. And I think that's cute. What y'all think? People wanted me to get the bronze and black one, but I didn't feel like it matched.
Oh, bronze and black, yeah.
The inside was black and the outside was like bronze, but I don't have bronze.
Nothing bronze, yeah. That goes back.
I guess I gotta cook tonight, huh?
What we making? What we eating? We finna eat some bacon.
Hey, that's crazy. I bought some popsicle makers because I'm gonna put some adult beverages in here.
Oh, nice, look.
Put some Arbor Mist and like a shot of rum or something, I don't know. And then I got this thing because I'm literally
What is this?
it's to put your produce in it because I literally will buy peppers and stuff and in 2 days it's done.
Yeah.
I'm like, is something wrong with the refrigerator? I put it on the coldest thing, so it's supposed to keep it fresh. If it don't work, I'm gonna return it. Because I definitely will. And then I got this thing. This little colander, what is it called? Yeah, colander or strainer over the sink situation. A bottle can opener. All of the above. Sink hair catcher. Girl, my hair be all down the sink. This is just to clean my sink in the bathroom. And then 2 strawberry cups. Had to. They're too cute. Ain't it?
Oh,
No, I'm like, oh, that's cute. I got to.
Yeah.
Just 2. Just in case I don't like them.
That's very nice.
Just home cups.
Chipotle. You should remake Chipotle. It's fun.
Remake what?
Remake Chipotle.
What do you mean?
It tastes just like it.
Make it like from home?
Yes.
Oh, you want to eat them?
Don't you need some rice? Sure. All you need is rice, your favorite peppers, your favorite onions, corn. You're gonna have to make the guac yourself, of course. Oh god, it's so good. It's Chipotle, the Chipotle seasoning. It tastes, girl, when I think my chicken tastes just like Chipotle. I was like, yo, I don't think, the only thing I messed up on was the rice, and that was because I was trying to make it the blow away. I'm not doing that.
Girl, make your regular
Yeah. I was like, what the heck?
The way she cook rice is weird.
Yeah,
But it always looks good.
Yes.
I
I don't like how she makes her rice either.
I still want to do like she put the butter and stuff on top of it.
Yeah. And then she has the parsley flakes.
Yeah, on it.
And then, yeah.
So this is what the pan looks like after sauteing the mushrooms and onions. A little tip that I got from someone who I watched on YouTube is to wash it immediately. Don't let it sit. Because it's white, you don't want the color to get brown over time. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I put the onions and mushrooms in a bowl, and I'm gonna go ahead and wash this immediately. So just from rinsing it with water, you guys just saw it immediately became clean. I'm obviously gonna go in with some soap and water, but I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to clean these pans. Just don't let the food sit after cooking, like clean it immediately. We're gonna get started with the rest of the potatoes. I just wanted to show you guys my little strainer slash colander. I love this thing. You just open it, put it across the sink, and then push it down. And it makes draining pasta, anything with water, so easy. I got mine from Hobby Lobby, but you can buy them literally anywhere. Okay. All right, let's go.